How to delete pre-installed apps on Samsung Smart TV. Please watch full video for better and permanent solution. Samsung Smart TV has more capability in streaming online content and its features. Sometimes Samsung Smart TVs come with pre-installed apps, and moreover, it makes you install more apps from the application store. But TVs are smart, but they limit storage space and you need to add external storage and increase memory. It means if you install any apps and games, memory it becomes full to install other apps, and you can't install apps from Samsung Smart Hub, and this may also lead to apps not working or loading, and Samsung Smart TV becomes slow and laggy and sometimes unresponsive as well. So due to these, you have to free up space by removing or deleting the apps and deleting those apps which are not useful for use. How to remove apps from a Samsung TV 2020. Follow these steps to delete apps on 2020 2/Q/LS series Samsung TVs. Press the home button on your remote to bring up the Smart Hub, then select Settings. Scroll down to the Support tab, the cloud with a question mark, then select Device Care. Wait for your TV to run a quick scan, then select Manage Storage. Select the apps you want to remove, then select Delete. Select OK to confirm. A status bar will appear showing the deletion progress. When it reaches 100%, select OK. The app should no longer appear in your viewing selection. How to remove apps from a Samsung TV 2017 to 2019. Press the home button on your remote control to access the Samsung TV Smart Hub. Select the apps icon, the four small boxes, using the remote's directional pad. Select Settings, the gear icon, located in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the Downloaded Apps section and select the app you want to delete. Select Delete from the pop-up menu. You may be prompted to select Delete a second time to confirm. How to uninstall apps on a Samsung TV 2015 to 2016. Press the home button on your remote control and select Apps. Select My Apps. Select Options at the bottom of the Apps screen. Select Delete from the menu. Select the apps that you want to delete. Select Delete at the bottom of the screen. Select Delete again to confirm. A status bar will appear showing the deletion progress. When it reaches 100%, select OK. The app should no longer appear in your viewing selection. How to hide apps on the Samsung TV home screen. Highlight the app you want to remove from the home screen and press the down button on your remote. Select Remove, then select Remove again in the pop-up confirmation box. The app should no longer appear on the home screen. Deleting pre-installed apps on Samsung TV. Press the home button on your TV's remote. Select Apps and click it. Now press the number button on your remote and type 12,345 using the on-screen number. You'll then see the Developer Mode pop up. Highlight the On button and select it. Now select the OK option. The Developer Mode will be enabled for the Apps section on your Samsung TV. Select the Close option on the pop-up saying, Develop Mode is on status. Highlight the Settings cogwheel icon at the top right corner of your TV screen and click it. On the Apps Settings page, highlight the app you want to delete. Go to Lock/Unlock option and click it to lock the app. Type 0000, it's the default password. The app will be locked and you'll see a lock icon on the app banner image. Now, go to the Deep Link Test option and click it. On the window that pops up, highlight the contented box and type anything using the on-screen keyboard. Click the Done button on the keyboard and select You'll be asked to enter the unlock password. Don't enter the password and select the Cancel option. The Delete option that was grayed out for the app previously should be available now. As you can see below, the Apple Music app on my TV now has the Delete option enabled. If it's still grayed out, try restarting the TV a couple of times. Click the delete option and confirm your choice. You can repeat steps 8 to 14 for any other pre-installed app you want to delete from your Samsung TV.